Hello guys, today we're going to talk about how to solve quadratic equation. Firstly, you need to know the three constants of quadratic equation, which is a, b, and c. Constant a is the coefficient of x squared, constant b is the coefficient of x, and constant c, which is equal to 0. You know, in every equation, if you hear s squared, you know that it is quadratic equation. We have 4 methods of solving quadratic equation. We have the first one, which is factorization method, the second one, completing the square method, and the third one, use of general formula, fourth one, graphical method. Now we have already know all the 4 methods of solving quadratic equation. Now we are going to pick one, which is factorization method. Let's use one example to explain the factorization method. Use s squared plus 10s plus 16, which is equal to 0. Let's solve it step by step in order for us to get the value of x in this equation. The first step is multiply a times c, that's constant a times c, meaning that constant a, that's the coefficient of s squared, which is 1, times c, the coefficient of, the constant, the third constant, which is 16. So to give us 16, then after getting 16, we will look for the factors of 16, that when they are added or subtracted, it will give you 10, and when they are multiplied, it will give you 16. Now let's look for the factors. The first factor is 1 times 16. The second one is 2 times 8. The third one is 4 times 4, because 3 cannot divide 16. Now looking at these factors here, which one do you think that when you sum them, it will give you 10? When you sum 1 and 16, it will not give you 10, it will give you 17. Let's assume, okay, when you subtract them, it will give 50, it will not give us the actual answer. When you sum 2 and 8, yes, it will give us 10. So we are going to choose 2 and 8. Now, after getting the two factors, the third step is to factorize. To factorize them, we remove the 10x and replace it with 2s plus 8x. Now it becomes x squared plus 2s plus 8s plus 16 is equal to 0. Just know that 2 and 8 are the two factors we got. Now, we're going to factorize by putting on brackets. How we did it here, we bracket s squared plus 2x and bracket as plus 16, which is equal to 0. Just know that the essence of this bracket is to make it easier for us to factorize. Now we bring out the common factor in the first bracket, which is x, and the common factor in the second bracket, which is 8. Now equate it to 0. We just bring out the numbers outside and put them in a bracket, and those two brackets, if you look at the first bracket and second bracket, they are the same. So we're going to just bring out one from it, because in the quadratic equation they must be the same before you know that your factorization is correct. Now let's go to the first step, which is finding the value of x in the equation. To find the value of x, you equate s plus 8 to 0 and s plus 2 to 0. As our normal equation, x becomes negative 8 or x becomes negative 2. Thanks for watching.